All right, so this is the beginning of the Seadoo, I don't know what you call it, restoration, refresh. I'm not really, just gonna fix it up, make it good. It's flipped upside down right now. First thing I'm doing here is all the gel coat, just filling it. It's not gonna be perfect. Then this ride plate, we didn't realize that it was connected to in here to like the whatever you call this, impeller housing. So we have to get all the bolts out now because we don't want to take it off. So gotta get those out somehow. Once that's flipped over, I have a new engine for it. You can see all my other parts there too. The engine is still in box, got it from SPT. I'm all the way up in Canada and it still didn't take that long to get here. I've got new start button, rotary valve timing tool, new VTS trim button, new fuel filter or oil filter I think, all the new gaskets, and I'll show you the motor in the next, I don't know, episode I guess, next progress report. All my parts there. I had a K&N intake on it when I bought it, but those are bad, so I got the stock one. I've done some painting on stuff, and I'm gonna probably paint all those again, make them nice. And then I have a trailer in progress. The other parts are inside the garage. They've already been primed. I just did what I could at a time, so gotta finish grinding all this. Grind this all, and we're actually doing bed liner on all the steel, the bare steel. We're leaving in the axle and leaf springs black, but yeah, that's about it. So for now, we are going to mix up some gel coat and get that done. Okay, so I got yellow all over my shirt already, so now I'm gonna wear coveralls. And I'm gonna put like, I don't know, try and put like 2 ounces into this mixing cup and then go from there. Or more than 2, I don't know. Just gonna eyeball it. Probably around there is gonna be a lot. Never even done gel coat work before, so yeah. Stuff is actually really cheap compared to what I thought it would be. That's good enough. So mix it, get all the oils off of the top of the gel coat and combined. Then, since my jet ski is yellow, this thing is okay. I'm going to try and match the yellow as best I can by just dumping it. If it's not hard. Come on. I don't know how much I'm gonna need. I'm gonna go like little bits at a time. Try and go like with that much for now. See how well that mixes. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. So it turns out neutral wax likes color. All right. That is very yellow. Might have messed up there. That's okay because I have a lot more. But actually I'm thinking this might be almost perfect. I think it's just about good. Let's check. So the color isn't like exact, but like it's pretty close, a lot closer than what I had before, and it's on the bottom. So I think I'm just gonna send it, and I'll try on this one first. As far as I know, I just dump it on, kind of, and then you spread it all around the tape, and then just leave it there. So gonna wipe everything with acetone quickly, and then we'll do that. So I think I'm done them all. I'm pretty sure I messed it up pretty bad. Definitely did it wrong, but I just kind of coated it on there and I figure I can sand it all off afterwards, like wet sand it. So it seems like a little bit see-through, but I don't know if it's just because it's not hardened yet. So yeah, that's my attempt at fixing all my gel coat. Even if it is a little see-through, I don't really care. It's on the bottom, you won't see it, and it protects the fiberglass then. It's all filled. So that's all of that. So I'm gonna wait for that to harden for a little bit, and then I'm actually probably gonna start trying to get all these bolts out. We've got that one out and that one out, but then I gotta get like a bunch more. And yeah, that's about it. I'm also gonna try and remove these sponsons and paint them black, and remove all the rub rail and paint it black. So I'm just gonna try and go like black and yellow theme, I guess. And yeah, that's about it for now. I will let you know what happens next. So fast forward like 3 days, finished grinding. Now everything is primed, and I am going to bed liner it. The plan is just to kind of do all the undersides first, wait for like 10 minutes, then flip it over and get her done. And then also made some progress on the jet ski. There's this huge moth here. Look at this thing. It's crazy. Anyways, all the gel coats basically, it's on, and then some of it's I've started sanding it off and everything. Looks pretty good. It's not the same color, but it's good enough. It's a bit see-through, which is weird, but I guess it's because I got the neutral, and I'm in the middle of tapping all these out as well. I've got 2 done, but one of them stripped, so I have to go up a bigger size, I guess.
So now I don't know if the time lapse worked, but I don't think it did. I think it cut, but I have bed linered everything now. A couple coats, just lots of touch-ups. And then I decided while I had it out, I just did the ride plate. I don't know how that's gonna work out, considering I have to kind of flip it soon, but hopefully overnight it'll dry up pretty good, and we'll see from there. I'd masked off everything, hopefully. Gotta peel off the tape soon. So hopefully that'll work. I don't know. Thought it would be cool. Fixes up the paint, and it shouldn't, I don't know. I guess we'll see how that works out, but yeah, that's all the progress right now. After this bed liner dries, I'm going to sand all the gel coat and then flip it over and put the motor in. So yeah.